In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable microphone access in Firefox quickly and correctly, so websites can ask for permission and use your mic when you need it. This is really helpful if your microphone is not working on video calls, voice chat, recording tools, or any website that needs audio input. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button with the 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This is where Firefox keeps all of your browser options, including privacy and permissions. Once the settings page opens, look for the section called Permissions and Data. Click on that section to expand the settings related to websites and what they're allowed to access. Inside this area, find the microphone option and click it. This will open the microphone permission settings for Firefox. Now you'll see a window that shows websites that have previously requested access to your microphone. This is where Firefox stores permission history for sites you've visited before. If you see a website listed as blocked, that means Firefox is preventing it from using your microphone. If you want that site to work again, select it from the list and click Remove Website, or change its permission if that option is available. Removing the site clears the old block so the website can ask again the next time it needs microphone access. This is useful if a site was accidentally denied permission and you want to start fresh. Next, scroll to the bottom of the window and look for the option that says Block New Requests, asking to access your microphone. Make sure this box is unchecked. When this setting is turned off, Firefox will allow websites to ask for microphone permission whenever needed instead of blocking those requests automatically. This step is very important because if the box is checked, websites may never get the chance to ask for access, which can make it seem like your microphone is broken even when it's not. So double-check this setting carefully before moving on. After making your changes, click Save Changes to apply the new settings. Once you save, Firefox will update your microphone permissions and websites should be able to request access again properly. Now, if a website still does not detect your microphone, also make sure your computer itself has microphone permissions enabled and that the correct input device is selected in your system sound settings. Sometimes the browser is set correctly, but the operating system is blocking the microphone instead. And that's it. You've now enabled microphone access in Firefox and adjusted the permission settings so websites can request it when needed. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.